This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Renata Mason. Spacious townhouse is close to parks, trails, shopping and amenities. Great open floor plan ideal for entertaining. Living room with gas fireplace, open kitchen with eating bar and nook plus formal dining area. Kitchen has been updated with newer appliance, granite counters and laminate flooring throughout main living spaces. 3 bedrooms upstairs, master with ensuite bath, dual sinks, large walk-in closet. Contemporary paint colors are warm and welcoming. Outdoor space offers patio with private courtyard. 2-car garage. Community park just across the street and conveniently located close to shopping and restaurant. For more information, review the details below.